my name is Agnes Czopor, and I'm a graduate from South Coast Welding Academy. Back when I lived in Chicago, where I was born and raised, I was watching Orange County choppers with a friend, and they were building this Spider-Man chopper that I absolutely fell in love with, both welding and motorcycles that day. So I decided to go to welding school and pursue that as a career. That's when I decided to move to Houston and pursue welding down here, since I heard that they had great opportunities. You know, once I get my certificate, I could get a better job. So I did a Google search on the best schools here, and South Coast had the best reviews, so I decided to give them a try, and I was not disappointed. Before welding, I was working a bunch of jobs that were all dead ends. I did administrative jobs, I did security jobs, driver delivery jobs, anything you could think of, I did. And I was not happy with those career choices. That's when I decided I really needed a career and an actual job, and I decided welding would be the perfect thing for me to do. Well, when I first pulled up to the school, I was very nervous. Being a female in a mostly male-dominant job, but I'm glad I, pushed myself to walk through that door and do this, because it was an amazing experience. All the instructors were great. They were very helpful. If I had any questions or any issues, they were addressed immediately. So it was great. Being a female in a male-dominant career, it's a little tough, because you get looked down on, like, oh, you probably can't do this, or, you're not good enough, but you just got to stay positive and put that smile on your face and just do it and show them that you can, and you will. So I chose the pipe course, and we first started off with stick on the plate. It was pretty difficult at first, since this was my first time doing it. I was not good at all, but as the weeks went by, I started getting better and better. And then after we finished the plate course, we did the TIG on pipe, which, again, it was really difficult at first, getting your wrist and hand movement correct. I had a lot of issues with both, but at the end I kept putting in the work, and I was able to do it right and good. Well, my last day of school, I wasn't even able to finish my course. A contractor came into the school, and he tested a bunch of us students that we were looking for work, and we passed right here that day, and the next day we were able to start work, so it was a great opportunity. Well, currently I am a MIG welder. I put together structural beams and columns. It's a very hot job, but it's great. I love looking out of that 2x4 window and seeing that arc and welding and watching that hot metal, putting something together. Being a single mom, having my son full-time, I thought it was going to be difficult going to school full-time and going into a male-dominant job, but it wasn't. It was a great experience. I was able to do it. My son supported me, and now we can have a great life. For all the female welders out there, or females that want to be welders that are too scared or not sure, just do it. It's great. It's fun. You'll learn a lot of new things, and it's a great experience. Going into the welding career has definitely helped me afford my hobby, which is riding motorcycles, so that makes me very happy. I love riding and welding. So for anyone that's thinking about going into the welding industry, I would definitely, suggest doing it. South Coast Welding Academy was a great school. The instructors were great. Everyone here was amazing. Never had any issues, so definitely a great school. This is something, if I can do, you can definitely do too. Having my son full-time and going to school full-time and, having a hectic life, it's something that, if you make time for it, you can do it, definitely.